Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will provide a video about JustAnotherPanel.com guide, how to use it effectively. So, for those of you who are looking for a way, then watch my video until the end. So that you can do it, it depends on the device you use. But before you start, don't forget to subscribe and activate the notification bell, so you don't miss any of my useful videos. JustAnotherPanel.com is an SMM, social media marketing, panel designed to help users increase their social media presence by providing paid services like followers, likes, and views. If you're considering using this platform, this guide will walk you through how to use it effectively while understanding its features. Step 1. Sign up and create an account. To get started, visit JustAnotherPanel.com and create an account. You'll need to provide basic details like your name, email, and password. Once registered, log in to access the dashboard. Step 2. Add funds to your account. Before placing an order, you'll need to add funds. Navigate to the Add Funds section, choose a payment method, and deposit the desired amount. JustAnotherPanel supports various payment options, including PayPal, credit cards, and cryptocurrencies, depending on your location. Step 3. Browse available services. Once funded, explore the range of services offered. These include followers, likes, views, and more for platforms like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube. Each service comes with details about delivery speed, price, and quality. Step 4. Place your order. Select the service you want, input the necessary details, like your social media profile URL or post link, and confirm your order. Double-check the information to avoid errors. Step 5. Monitor your results. After placing an order, the system will begin processing. You can track the status and progress of your order from the dashboard. Most services deliver quickly, but some may take longer, depending on the package. While JustAnotherPanel.com offers quick results, remember that most engagements are artificial and may not contribute to long-term growth. Use the platform cautiously and focus on balancing paid services with authentic, organic content to maintain credibility. Thank you to those of you who have watched this video, and I really hope for feedback to increase creativity in creating content that is positive and useful for many people.